loves, it's Sam. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a Marshalls haul, a Marshalls clearance haul, and TJ Maxx. So TJ Maxx and Marshalls has opened their online shopping. However, it's not all day long. There's like literally only a little time frame where you can do it. But if you go in the afternoon, it'll already say we've already reached our limit. So I kept on trying to go shopping on there and I could never get the right time. And then I finally did, and I just went straight to clearance because I just figured, you know, they've been closed for so long, I bet there would be some good stuff in clearance. So I checked out their clearance section and I scored. They had so many amazing artwork and like just fabulous wall decor for super duper affordable, and I got so much stuff for such a great price, and I'm so excited. I cannot believe I even found this stuff. And so I ordered a little bit from TJ Maxx, and then I got a good amount of stuff from Marshalls, and I'm just going to show you guys everything that I found on Marshalls and TJMaxx.com clearance. I'm just so excited. So, and this was all online, you guys. It shipped, I think the shipping was about 5 to 7 days, so it wasn't super quick, but it wasn't terrible. And everything came packaged really nicely, and I'm just really in love with the stuff. I was just so happy with what I got. So I'll link everything down that I can. The problem with TJ Maxx and Marshalls is that stuff sells out pretty quick. So sometimes like I'll get something, then by the time I put the video up and get the products, it's already sold out. So I'll try and link whatever I can that is still available, and if it's not available, I'll link something similar or you know, something that I think is cute still on their clearance section or whatever. But if this stuff is available, I will have it linked down below, so just be sure to go ahead and check down there. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you guys liked this video. I'm a sucker for Marshalls. I'm a sucker for TJ Maxx, and I've had serious withdrawals during quarantine. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys stuff on the wall, as well as like, I'll show you when I first got it, and then I'll kind of show you how I styled some of the pieces, because I'm still working on a few of them, but I'm so excited, you guys. I got the cutest stuff, and I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day. Happy Friday. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing that we got is this beautiful, I guess it's like a console cabinet, not really sure what to call it, but I love it. I'm super excited. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to have it because the kids have all of their laptops and little things for school, and like I know the year is almost done, but I feel like it's never a bad idea to have more storage. And so this is great because it has these little shelves inside that you can store a ton of stuff. It's really deep. So like I've got Lily's little I don't know what that thing is called, basket thing. It's got her notebooks, her pencils, her laptop, and then it has plenty of room for the chargers, and I can fit Phoenix's in there and mine in there so that no one has to see cords and computers. And then it has these big deep ones on this side. This door came a little bit mangled, so Jay had to tinker with it, and I think he got it. See how it doesn't close just perfectly, but it's pretty darn great, and I love it. It's got really nice tall legs as well. So now in our living room, I've been really wanting something for this space, but I just haven't found the right piece yet. And so I'm so excited that I finally found this. So now it's perfect under my mirrors, and these mirrors I found at Marshalls like a few months back before quarantine happened, and I got them for 20 bucks, so it was like such a good deal. And so now I feel like this just ties in so well. It looks so good. So I need to get some kind of like really nice fat book about plants or something like that for the top of it. I'm just super excited. I've got my little lights on either side, so yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm feeling just so happy that I found it. I cannot believe it. It looks so good. I also got this one, and this is a 40 by 30, and you know what's funny, guys, is like I have no idea what measurements are. So when I was ordering it, I was like, that's probably a good size, but I didn't think it was going to be that big. And it's massive. Like, it's hard to tell, but like there's a big wall. Like, it's huge. So that is going to go right there. I've been looking for something for this space as well, and I haven't found anything that I've loved. So it's just been empty for a super long time. So now I'm going to put that right there, and it's just going to look so pretty with this and that. It's gonna look so cute. And then I also got this little picture. Again, it's still a decent size, so I think that's gonna go up on this plain wall right here. I just love it with the upside down rainbows. I think that's super cute. And then I also got these two prints. So this one again, I think is a 40 by 30, but it's a vertical shot. The buildings are so beautiful. The colors, everything is just so pretty, and it fits in our home so well. So I got that one, which I haven't decided where I'm gonna put that one yet. And then I got this one, which I think I'm gonna put upstairs because this, the walls are gray up there. They're like a really light gray. And I think this will be really beautiful upstairs in the playroom. That's gonna go up there, but it also matches really well with our doors. So I don't know, I haven't decided, but I love that one. I got this plant, and I did not realize this was gonna be that big. It's huge. I'm super excited. All of this stuff was in the clearance section, you guys. It was insane. I could not believe I got all this stuff. And then when it arrived, Jay's like, what the heck did you order? And I was like, holy crap, this stuff is big. I don't know. Because I was not expecting it all to be this big. For the price that I paid, I'm like, this is insane. So then I got this one for this room because this is Jay's office. And I wanted to keep it with a little bit more kind of like neutral colors, just like real white, green, and kind of like this mustardy color, because our curtains in here have like a mustard kind of grayish tone. So I wanted to keep it kind of like very neutral in here, but still bright. So I got this one. I don't know where I'm gonna put that one yet, but this right here is gonna go up on this big empty wall right here. So I'm super excited. I think that's gonna look really beautiful. And then it's just kind of like a little sitting area. Super excited about these as well. Really beautiful. These both have the little wood trim, which is really nice. So I think they're gonna go really well in here. We also need to find a place for Phoenix's little keyboard. Okay guys, so I have hung the big picture with the, I think it was supposed to, it's called something to do with like a holiday or vacation, I don't know. But anyway, this big one right here. And then I've put this plant over here. So now we've got this little space until we get some kind of seating area in here. We now just have this little chair and my little plant, and then I put a lamp and the big fabulous plant that we got from, I think that one was from Marshall's. And then the picture I think was also from Marshall's as well. So now it's just so cute in here, and it goes so well, like the little wood border matches really well with all the little touches of wood. And then the plants go super well. It's super cute, and it just makes the space look really nice and simple, but very crisp and clean. And then like over here we have like the little rattan bookshelf that we got from Facebook Marketplace. And then this also came in, I didn't show you this before. Hold on, let me turn off the light because there's a weird glare. So this picture came, and I didn't really know where else to put it because I didn't want to clutter up the walls. So I just kind of put it so that it's leaning up on this shelf. And I think it looks really cute. And it just says rise with the sun. If you guys can see that. It's super simple and just kind of like crisp. So I think that looks really cute on the shelf. This is where he gets to display all of his man stuff. And then over here in this corner, it's not the cutest corner because it's like a printer and all of his hard drives and stuff for all of our videos and everything, and a cabinet. But we do have this cute little picture that I showed you guys when it was off of the wall. So I hung that up there. And then we just have a cute little vase and plant, and then he likes having his essential oils in here. So now from this angle, I've literally got like a bunch of stuff out there that was on the floor in here, but this isn't cute. Just pretend that's not there. But that's what it looks like, and then the little mirror over there. So it's really cute. And then on this wall, we have this little basket weave wall art decor thingy. It's just like a nice space that's kind of neutral, and it's not got too much girly touches minus the door. So here is the rainbow picture, and I love the way it looks because when you're coming down from the hallway, you see the rainbow, and then it like ties in with the little console table that I got. It's just so cute. So I love that. I think that just looks really pretty. It's just nice and simple on that wall. Okay guys, so I ended up putting this picture, and it's so annoying because every time I like look at it in real life, it looks plenty big enough for the space. But then for some reason in the camera, it looks really small on that wall. So I don't know why that happens. It's like when I look at the camera and I look way heavier on camera, but yet the pictures look smaller. Not sure how that works, but this is what it looks like. It looks really nice in real life. So I don't know why it's looking, it literally looks like so minuscule. Maybe if I stand back and just show you the whole thing as a whole. it'll look better. Yeah, see, it looks nice and big from here. But anyway, that's what it looks like. So now that is what that side looks like. The kids are about to, it's raining, so the kids are about to watch Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonage. And then that's what that wall looks like. So really, really cute. I love it. I love that the way that turned out, and I love the tones because it matches with all my pillows. And then upstairs in the playroom, again, this picture looks so tiny on the wall. This is so frustrating. I don't know why this is happening, but that is what that looks like. So eventually I probably will end up putting something on either side, some like little cute hanging plants or something like that. It looks so little. I think it's just because there's like nothing for you to reference to in the camera, but in real life it does not look too small. I don't know why it does that in the camera. The camera is so sneaky like that. Wow, those stairs really got me. I've put this other picture up on this little wall in between the kids' 2 bedrooms, and I just think it looks so pretty. I love how when you look at it, you're like looking down the center of like the corridor. So I love the way that turned out. I think that looks really nice. Those stairs get me every single time. But yeah, so that looks really nice. I love that picture. They're gonna go psychotic. What have they found? Oh, she biffed it. Oh, she biffed it. What are you chewing on? They're crazy. I don't know why, but they love running on this. It's like super fun. Oh, now they've gone into my makeup room. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys liked everything that I got. Again, I'll link everything down that I can down below, or similar items. And I'll see you guys probably back on Monday. I love you guys. I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and mwah!